What's good, YouTube? Quick update. Finally got my remote start in my car working properly. At first, just the push button start was the only thing that was working, and I never programmed the remote start and never ran the tack wire, that safety switch wire for your shifter. I had to run that too. So everything now is working properly. But first, to my new subscriber, this is the kit I used. Uh, I had two set of two, so I put two in my car in the Caprice. Now those two left here is for the Chevelle. Now it's the passive keyless entry module, and also you got the push start module, because you have to use, it's like two brain. You got this brain for your push start button, and then you got this brain here for your keyless entry, and then come with two keypad, two emergency bypass card. With this card, if you lose both keypad, you can use it to get in your car and start your car until you can purchase one of those keypad back. And also that kit, when you walk away from your car, your door automatic lock. When you come close to your car automatic unlock. And then once you get in your car, you start driving, your door automatic lock. So actually, yeah, it's a pretty nice kit. And I'm gonna show you guys the remote start is working, so give me a second. Okay, YouTube, this is the keypad here. The car is starting. Press it. The car is off. So